Now we're going to be looking at the highest common factor for the following pairs of numbers. 15, 40. So again, refreshing your mind about the term factor. It's a number that can go into a particular number. So 15. What are the factors for 15 and what are the factors for 40? So, which numbers can go into 15? 1 times 15, 3 times 5, 2 can't go into 15. Now that's it, that's all we have. What are the factors for 40? 1 and 40, 2 times 20, 3 times, no, 3 cannot go into 40. 4 times 10. And is there another number that's higher than 4? Yes, 5 times 8. Cool. Now it says which one's the highest common factor. So the highest number is 15, from the number 15. Is there a 15 here? No. There's 1 here, but that's not the highest. What about 5? Is there a 5 here? Yes. Cool. So 5 is the highest common factor for both 15 and 40. Let's have a look at 18 and 26. So, writing the factors for 18. So 18 is 1. So there's different ways to present this. You can do 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 times 6, and that's it. Those are the factors for 18. 26. You can write it in this way, 1 and 26. 2, can 2 go into it? Yes. 2 times 13. Is there any other numbers that can go into 26? No. So, which one is the highest common factor? So the lowest is 1. Is there another number that can go into it? What about 2? Yes. 2. Is there a 13 here? No. Is there a 26? No. So the highest common factor is going to be 2. Now, let's go through the next question. So these are big questions. You need to know your times tables. If you don't know your times tables, you're definitely going to struggle with these questions, okay? So a prerequisite for these is knowing your times tables to be really efficient in this. 72 and 96. So let's have a go. 1 and 72. What's the next one after the 1? 2 and 36. 3 and... Okay, let's say if I don't know how to do 3 into 72, how can I do that? 3 into 72, 2, carry the 1. Oh yeah, okay, cool. 3 times 24. What about 4? Okay, how do I know 4 can go into 72? Try it out. 4, 1, 3, 8. 18. Okay, so it looks like 24, 36, 72, 4 and 18. What about 5? Can 5 go into 72? No. Can 6? 6 times 12. Okay, now what about 8? Yes, 8 and 9. Do you notice it's getting squishy and squishier? So make sure this is quite long. Next one's 96. So 96, what are the factors? 1 and 96. Then 2 and, what's 2 into 96? Let's have a go. 2 times 4 is 8, carry the 1. It's going to be 9, 48. So 2 and 48. Okay. So 2 times 48 is 96. What about 3? Okay, 3 and, okay, if you're not sure, how can you work it out? 3 into 96. 3 times 3 is 9, 32. 3 and 32. What about 4? Okay, if you're struggling with that, try it out again. 4 into 96. 4 times 2 is 8, carry the 1 is 4. 24. So 4 and 24. What about 5? Okay, this number doesn't end with a 5. 5 can only go into a number that ends with a 5 and 0. What about 6? Let's try out 6. 6 into 96. 6 into 9 is 1, carry the 3. So 6 and 16. Okay, what about 7? No. Okay, 8. Yes, 8. You should know your 8 times tables. 8 times 12. Okay, and then you are done. So this one was a big one. You have to know your times tables. Now, which one is the highest common factor? 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common, 8 is common. Okay, is 12 common? Yes, 12 is common. What about 24? Oh yeah, there's a 24 here too. What about 36 and 72? No, so 24 is your highest common factor. Okay, that's how you want to approach that question, and then you're going to look back and see which one's common, and then which one is your highest one that's common between both.